Date October 31, 2008. And then there are other impressions below this document with figures. Will you show, Madam Clerk of Court, will you show this document to the, no, may I finish first my question? Will you kindly show this document to the witness? This document that I'm holding, all of this attachment. And find out whether, no, show the supplemental request, the complete document. Examine all those documents covered by Annex A. There are several of them. And tell me if you have similar documents like that in your bank.
Sir, if you mean the exact replica, we do not have it, sir. But if you are asking for the standard form that we use for those who open, it is the standard form.
Are you saying that these documents are false documents?
Yes, sir. It seems fake. They are fake documents, sir.
They are fake documents. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now,
And
counsels.
these did not come from our banks.
No, but I want to know whether those are genuine, replica of genuine documents in your bank or they are not.
No, sir.
They are not. What do you mean by no, sir?
They are not, sir.
They are not replica of genuine documents in your bank.
They are not replica of genuine
They are.
documents.
You please clearly state your answer.
Layo.
Are those documents attached to the request, supplemental request for subpoena filed by the prosecution, faithful reproduction or replica of documents in your bank?
They are not the same, sir.
Are they false documents?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then we want an explanation from the prosecution. You know, gentlemen, we are all lawyers here. There are ethical standards to be observed by us. Huh?
Mr. President, I think we need an explanation from the prosecution panel on how they got these allegedly fake documents and presented it to the court and attached it to their supplemental request for subpoena.
Your Honor, please.
Yes.
Yeah, last Monday, we explained it here.
No, explain it again.
Yes, Your Honor. It was a Thursday. That was February 2. At around 7 to 7:30 in the evening, the prosecution met at a hotel along Rojas Boulevard. And Congressman O'Malley gave me the document. And this is the document.
Rojas Boulevard?
Yes.
Where in Rojas?
Midas Hotel.
Midas Hotel.
Yes.
Who were there?
Myself, Congressman O'Malley, Congressman Abaya, some of the spokespersons, I think it's Congressman Angara, and Congressman Miro Kimbo.
Did you meet,
Congressman Colmenares.
did you meet there for the purpose of waiting for Congressman Umali to bring those documents?
No, Your Honor. We meet regularly. At Thursday, we meet after the trial.
In that place?
In that place. And it so happened that Congressman Umali approached me and he handed to me
Approach you where?
inside the hotel,
Maidas Hotel.
Midas. And he gave me this brown envelope, I think we have here. And he opened it before, it was already opened, and he showed that to me.
It was already open?
Yes, he opened it.
Who opened it?
Congressman Umali.
And then?
Then he gave that to me, and I examined the documents. And it turned out to be the annex. It turned out to be the customer identification and specimen signature card. In the
And
name
now
of...
there is a statement here under oath that it is a fake document. It's being disowned. So explain to us how you will treat these documents that you subpoenaed.
The only explanation that I can make, Your Honor, is how we got the document. And that's how we got the document. After the document was given to me by Congressman Umali, I conferred with Congressman Abaya. Then we called our lawyer. We set a meeting the following morning around 10 o'clock. And in that meeting, we decided to attach it in our supplemental request. Because before that, Your Honor, in our original request, that was a Monday before that, that was last week Monday, we didn't have the account number. We only had the 1 million winning in a promo raffle won by Renato Corona Coronado, that signified that he has bank accounts in that particular branch of PS Bank, which is the Katipunan branch. And then we met with our lawyer on Friday, and we decided to attach it in our supplemental request because it was very clear to us that the Senate President said that we need specificity.
Correct. Specificity.
Yes.
Okay. Now, when Congressman Umali, as a member of your panel, presented the witness for the first time, bearing on that document, I asked him how he got it. He said he went to the Department of Public Works, and I asked him whether the document was given to him in the Department of Public Works. He said no. And I asked him, where did you receive that document? I don't know whether the records will bear this out, but I asked him, where did you receive that document? And he said, here I received it from a small lady, I think inside this building. And we have the records of the CCTV of this building regarding the movement of Congressman Umali, and it does not show anybody meeting Congressman Umali in this building. So explain to us.
Yeah. Your Honor,
You are ordered to explain to us in 24 hours.
we will do that. We will comply, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, may I continue with one
Yes.
last question? Mr. Consul, Congressman Tupas, mukha yatang mahirap yatang paniwalaan na ang script ninyo, no? Na mayroon nagbigay, may maliit na babae nagbigay, nag-abot, or whatever. Be that as it may, Mr. Mr. Consul, assuming na totoo o genuine itong mga dokumentong ito, and you know for a fact that you're a lawyer, and you know for a fact that that particular document was illegally obtained, and that is in violation of Republic Act number 1405. My question is, if that particular document was illegally acquired or illegally obtained why did you have to attach that in your supplemental request for subpoena? Alam niyo, ako po hindi po abogado, no? Pero nung binasa ko po yung batas, alam ko pong illegal yan, and I know all documents that are illegally acquired or illegally obtained are inadmissible in court. That is as far as what I learned from my law school.
Your Honor, please. We were in good faith when we attach it. In-attach po namin ito dahil una-una in our supplemental request, and I'll read. Moreover, it seems that the media itself also has information pertaining to these PS bank accounts. Ito yung newspaper articles of Mr. Jake Makasait in Abante the day before, and Mr. Conrado Banal III in the Philippine Daily Inquirer, also dated February 2. At tungkol naman ho doon naman ho sa sinasabi ng ating senador na illegally obtained, ang pagkakaalam po namin na walang exclusionary rule doon sa Foreign Currency Deposit Acts. At the same time, wala rin exclusionary rule doon po sa Republic Act 1405 or yung Bank Secrecy Law. Kaya po, in good faith po kami na in-attach po namin ito, at it turned out na at least the 10 bank accounts turned out to be existing and accurate. Yung at least yung 10 bank account numbers stated or covered by the subpoena, naging accurate po yung 10 yun.
I will yield the floor to Senator Escudero. But one last question before I yield the floor to Senator Escudero. Madam Witness, are you related to any member of the prosecution panel?
No, Your Honor.
Defense panel?
No, Your
Or
Honor.
for that matter, to any senator judge?
No. No, Your Honor.
Were you pressured or duly influenced to release the documents in question?
No, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. Thank you, Mr. President.
Mr. President, I actually wanted to raise a point of order earlier.
The gentleman from Sorsogon.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, based on our journal of Thursday, February 9, 2012, the presiding officer ordered the president of the bank to produce the originals of the annexes attached to the request for subpoena by the prosecution. And if I may read, page 35 thereof, then produce the originals. Mr. Garcia goes, "Yes, Your Honor." And the presiding officer asked Mr. Garcia, "Does this particular account exist?" without asking for the details. And he gave the particular number of the account mentioned by Senator Estrada. Page 37, Mr. Presiding Officer, "All right, lastly, account number 089-191-000-373. Does this account exist in your bank?" Mr. Garcia, "Yes, Your Honor." And second point, Mr. President, Your Honor, the presiding officer also asked the president of the bank, if I may quote, on page 39,